Today I'm cooking a simple spicy prawns fried Kway Teow for lunch. It's easy to cook and my family loves it. This recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. Let's start off with marinating 5 pieces of large prawns with 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Rub and marinate them evenly. Turn to the other side and sprinkle another 1/8 teaspoon of salt and repeat. Leave them aside. Place a wok on the stove. Switch on the heat. Today I'm using a cast iron wok for the lovely wok hay fragrance. Pour 50 ml of cooking oil and wait for about 1 minute for it to warm up. Once the oil is hot, add 120 grams of minced garlic. Stir fry and cook it for 1.5 minutes or until the garlic is fragrant and golden brown. Alright, this should be okay. Remove all the crispy garlic from the wok and place them in a heat-resistant bowl. Leave aside. Next, with the garlic-infused oil in the wok, add all the prawns and stir-fry them a little. Add 90 grams of fish cake slices. Continue to cook both prawns and fish cake for about 45 seconds. Then push them to one side of the wok. Add 2 eggs and 1/4 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Breaking the yolk and stir fry until the marbling is well formed. This should be real quick as the pan is really hot. After 20 seconds, the egg yolk looks great. Push it together with the prawns and fish cake. Reduce the heat to low. Add 450 grams of Kway Teow noodles. Please use the Kway Teow minced for frying only, as it is firmer and chewier than the ones for soup. Add the seasonings. Half tablespoon of thick soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of chili paste or chili bowl for spiciness. Increase the heat to medium-high. Mix noodle and seasoning until very well combined and even in color. This takes about 30 seconds. Then stir in the prawns, fish cake, and eggs, mixing well with the Kway Teow over medium-high heat. After about 1 minute, the noodle has become soft and well combined with ingredients and seasoning. Give it a taste. It's delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. Next, add 200 grams of bean sprout and 30 grams of fresh Chinese chive. Continue stirring to mix the ingredient evenly over high heat for 30 seconds for crunchy bean sprout and softened chive. Alright, this is perfect. Switch off the heat. Add the fried garlic that we have set aside earlier and 18 grams of crispy fried anchovy or ikan bilis goreng. Give it a mix and we are done. It's super fragrant and very delicious. Dish it out and serve immediately while it is still hot and aromatic. Let's eat. Wow, very tasty and flavorful. The noodles are smooth and al dente. The vegetables are crunchy, while the prawns, eggs, and fish cake are so delicious. Everything goes really well together in this dish. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!